The Dow once more came down to the T-line in weakness today, but closed strong, closed 21 points positive. This kind of continues the slow uptrend. One of the questions asked in the chat room is, if this is a hanging man at the top, isn't that a little bit dangerous as far as topping this? The analysis has to be, is this at the top or is this still part of the slow uptrend? And this just happens to be a hammer or a hanging man type day. You can see your stochastics aren't in any other condition and your trend isn't in any other condition. So it wouldn't make it any different today than what you saw here or here, that we're still in an uptrend. And the most important factor is we're still trading above the T-line. The NASDAQ may have a little bit more emphasis on the hanging man as it's moving up, but we're getting right close to this level. And we're still in a trend that isn't moving away or exuberantly away from the T-line any more than it has over the past week or so. So at this point, even if it sold off a little bit, we still have to use the T-line as the ultimate trend analysis. But as long as we don't see it close back below the T-line, we know we're still in an uptrend. Now, this slow uptrend is providing some very good opportunities as far as pattern breakouts. For example, our recommendation on the fry pan bottom breakout of MDVN is still moving up nicely. Did a little resting today, but we still should have some more upside based upon the magnitude of the wave that brought us up to the fry pan bottom. And trades that we recommended today, constant contact. Notice the flat handle and the scoop formation, giving us an opportunity to have a scoop slingshot effect to the upside, which are going to produce potential profit returns much greater than just uptrending stocks in a market. And that was seen, but as we've seen, like we saw in REE, where we had the scoop pattern that broke out nicely and produced a very big profit before we saw a dark cloud signal. The candlestick signals and patterns produce inordinate profits based upon the power that they inject into the chart through investor sentiment, or the identification of investor sentiment. The nice thing about candlesticks is it shows where the strength is coming into a buy or the strength is coming into a sell. That'll be it. We'll see you in the chat rooms.